Here's how to install Google Apps on your Mac. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So first we're going to open up our Chrome. And then we're going to search for any app you want. So let's say I want to download Google. Since I'm already on the page, I'll click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on Cast, Save, and Share, and then I'll press Save Page As. Then it will download all of this to my downloads and download it as an app. Let me go to my folder. As you can see, I have a folder called Chrome Apps, which is automatically created when you download stuff, and I have all these apps right here. As you can see, Snapchat, YouTube, Netflix, Gmail. This will work with any site, any app that is not on the App Store. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.